bush tracking it down to Walpole. Look out. Well, I got down here, blowing its ass off, so don't know how much fishing I'm going to get done here. I might have to go around the other side to get out the wind, see what happens. Gar fishathon, mate. Off. And this here, troubadour, is going to get me around this big old country of ours, mate. That's what's happening. Good morning. Day 2 at Broke Inlet. Bit of a slight easterly going on. Got the fishing rods going. Might just have a fish for an hour or so and then cook some brekkie up. I've just switched locations and I'm now at the King George whiting spot that I like. Apparently the bloke here last night reckons that juvenile pinkies were bloody hammering him. Yeah, so have a look at this. Good morning. This is the last day of me trip. I'll be heading home today. Get a bit of fish in this morning. Well, there's no wind. It's bloody beautiful, actually. Now, I'll chuck some bait on these hooks, have a cast and see if I can't catch something.
Of you, oh my, our bodies interlace, slow and easy, and I can reach you from a distance. I can, so beautiful. I can hear you within the silence. We will dance away the gloomy days right here. We are silver line, one of a kind, you and me. When it rains, let me keep parts of you.